In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply for a Home Depot consumer credit card online. To get started, open Google Chrome on your computer and go to the Home Depot Credit Services page. Once the page loads, take a moment to make sure you're in the right place. You should see different credit-related options, so it's helpful to read the page headings carefully before moving forward. This helps avoid selecting the wrong application, especially if there are options for different types of cards or financing programs. When you're on the correct page, look for the Consumer Credit Card section. In that section, click the Apply Now button to begin the application. After clicking, you'll be taken to the online application form. Depending on your browser settings, the next page may open in the same tab or a new one, so keep that in mind if it seems like nothing happened right away. Next, fill out the online application using your personal and financial details. As you complete the form, make sure everything is entered accurately. This usually includes basic identifying information, contact details, and financial information needed to process the application. It's a good idea to type carefully and double check for any mistakes before moving on, since even a small error can slow down the review process or affect the result. As you continue, be sure to review the terms and conditions carefully. This is an important part of the application because it explains key details about the card, such as rates, fees, payment responsibilities, and other account terms. Don't rush through this section. Take the time to read what you're agreeing to so you can make an informed decision before submitting your application. Once you've completed the form and reviewed the terms, the final step is to click Submit. After you do that, the system will process your application and provide an instant credit decision if available. In many cases, you'll see the result on screen right away, so stay on the page and wait for the confirmation or decision message to appear. That's all there is to it. If you're applying online, working carefully and reviewing each section before submitting can make the process smoother and easier to complete.